Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add navigation menu to your Shopify store in 2025. Quick and easy, no fuss. First, log in into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left side, click on Online Store, then select Navigation. Next, you will see existing menus like Main Menu and Footer Menu. To add new menu, click Add Menu at the top of the right. Give your menu a clear name, something like Main Menu or Shop Categories, so it's easy to identify later. Now, start adding menu items by clicking Add Menu Item. Enter the name for each item like Home, Shop, or Contact. Then link each item to appropriate page, collections, or product by selecting the link from the drop-down. When you've added all the items you want, click Save Menu. To make sure your new menu appears on your site, go to Online Stores, then go to Themes, then click Customize on your active theme. Look for the header or navigation sections and select the menu you just created. Preview your store to confirm the menu looks right and works smoothly. And that's it. A simple way to add customized navigation menu on Shopify in 2025. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe, and drop your caution below. Catch you in the next one.